Tired of cluttering your presentations with unnecessary slides? Let's dive into how to efficiently remove them in PowerPoint. First, you'll want to access the Slide Sorter view. This gives you a clear overview of all your slides. You can find this view by clicking on the View tab at the top of your PowerPoint window, and then selecting Slide Sorter from the ribbon. Now, let's say you want to delete a single slide. Simply click on the thumbnail of the slide you wish to remove. Once it's highlighted, you have two easy options. You can right-click on the selected slide and choose Delete Slide from the context menu, or you can press the Delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, press the Delete key on your keyboard. What if you need to remove several consecutive slides? No problem. In the Slide Sorter view, click on the first slide you want to delete, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last slide in the sequence. All the slides in between will now be selected. Continue holding Shift and click the last slide in the block. With multiple slides selected, you can then use the same methods as before. Either right-click on any of the selected slides and choose Delete Slide, or press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove them all at once. Right-click and select Delete Slide, or simply press the Delete key. For deleting non-consecutive slides, the process is just as straightforward. Click on the first slide you want to remove, then hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on each of the other individual slides you wish to delete, even if they are scattered throughout your presentation. Hold Ctrl and click each individual slide you want to delete. Once all your desired slides are selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click and select Delete Slide to remove them. And there you have it. You've successfully removed unwanted slides, streamlining your presentation for maximum impact.